So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and a very tricky fix for the issue of the sound not coming from the games that you are playing on your iPhone. So first of all, make sure to turn up the volume to the max, and if it still not works for any game, all you need to do is to just simply press and hold the action button or the silent alert slider on your iPhone, and it says I'm in the silent mode, and then again presses and it says a ring, and that's definitely gonna solve the issue for you. Or you can do one thing: simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, go to sound and haptics and make sure that silent mode is disabled on your iPhone. Now you'll definitely gonna get the audio for the game that you are playing. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.